If you need to remove a payment method from Google Meet, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is abated. This process will help you manage your payment options effectively. Step 1. Sign into Google account. Go to the Google account page and sign in with the credentials associated with your Google Meet account. Step 2. Navigate to Payments and Subscriptions. Once signed in, locate the Payments and Subscriptions section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your payment methods. Step 3. Access payment methods. In the Payments and Subscriptions section, find and select Manage Payment Methods. This will show you a list of all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Select Payment Method to remove. Identify the payment method you wish to remove. Click on the 3 dots or the Options menu next to it to reveal more actions. Step 5. Remove Payment Methods. Choose the option to remove or delete the payment method. Confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the removal. After completing these steps, your selected payment method will be removed from your Google Meet account. Make sure to check your account settings regularly to keep your payment information up to date.